Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to enable automatic subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without wasting more time, let's get on with it. Now in Premiere Pro I've got this video and I want to create subtitles for it. So I will select the video and then I will go up to the effects control panel. From there I will click on these arrows and find text. And by the way, if you don't have text over here, you can go to Windows and from here somewhere you can click on text and it will appear on your workspace menu as well. And once you selected the text, my transcript is already done, but if the transcript is not done, it will take a few minutes or seconds, it depends on the length of the video, to create a transcript. And now, as you can see, this text is fully editable. So if you want to edit the text, you can click on this little icon where is the pencil, and from here now you can correct anything you don't like on a text. And as you can see, I've got some misspelling, so I'm just going to delete this. I don't know why it has A2. Then once you're happy, just click anywhere and it will correct the text. Now to create the subtitles, I will click on this double CC icon, create captions. I'll click on that. And now you have this panel in front of you. From caption presets, keep it as subtitle default. I never use the other ones, so that's why I keep it as subtitle default. Then if you want to go further down and correct some of the settings, you can do that. From style, leave it as none, and then I will select from layouts, I will go to single line. Also, the maximum length in the characters, I'll go down to, let's say, 20, and also the minimum duration in seconds, I'll go down to 1.5. And the gap between captions in frames, I'm just gonna go 1 frame, or let's leave it as 0. And also, if you don't want to have any punctuation in the subtitles, you can click on remove punctuations. And once you have done with all these settings, you can click on create captions. And now we wait to create the captions. That was pretty quick. And now, as you can see, you've got the captions over here, which are also editable. So again, if you want to edit anything, just click on that and you will be able to select the selected text. Now let's move down to the timeline. As you can see, now we've got this brown or orange subtitles on the timeline where it says subtitles. And if you want to change the font, what you can do is just simply select all of them and then go to properties, and from here you can change the text font. In this case, I'm gonna go to this one. You can increase the font. Then if you go to align and transform, you can click on the middle, and also you can drag them up or down. I'm gonna drag them down so they will be somewhere over here. And let me just mute that and just play the video. But before that, I just also want to show you that from appearance, you can add stroke, background, and shadow. Then when I play it, let's see what the subtitles look like. And they look pretty cool. Alright people, and that's how you can enable automatic subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro. As you can see, it's super easy, super simple, and super fast. If you enjoyed this video and you learned something new, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Premiere Pro tutorials. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.